I will share with you on how to qualify a supplier using a step-by-step approach in this video. This video is for supplier quality management and procurement professional or anyone who deals with the supplier. By the end of this video, you will know what are the preparations and the activities that's needed to qualify a supplier effectively. Do feel free to jump in any section that you're interested in this video using the timestamp. Supplier qualification and selection process started from performing suppliers survey. So this is more of a high level type of survey to request information from potential suppliers. These steps could be optional and it could serve as a first level filtering. Second, it will be develop and share suppliers' quality standards. So it is a high level expectation from your company on suppliers' quality standards. Perform qualification audits. This step is the most complex and it should be planned at least 6 months ahead during the early phase of a potential supplier qualifications. And finally, suppliers' decisions, where the SQM or the supplier quality management team will put in the recommendations based on the quality evaluation of suppliers' capability. In the next few slides, we shall zoom into each and every section with even more details. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. Supplier survey is actually a simple tool to perform a high-level understanding on suppliers' quality capabilities before we even started to audit them in their facilities. I'm sure you do not want to work with suppliers who has poor response and do not even know how to fill in a survey form correctly. Either they are not interested in your business or have poor capability. It will be useful if you have a huge choice and many players in the market for certain types of commodity or parts or even services such as electronics manufacturing services. As our time is a constraint, it will help to minimize non-value added suppliers' trips, especially those overseas suppliers. So the main focus will be on quality. In supplier quality standards is developed by your company. It is a high-level company's expectation on supplier quality management, and it will follow some kind of quality management system, such as the common one will be ISO 9000, and it is used to obtain suppliers' commitment to meet customers' requirement. If a supplier is unable to meet the requirement, it should be highlighted to the procurement team. Let's go to the next detail of performing qualification audits. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. I have two 5 stars rated supplier quality management courses which will enhance your skills in this area at Udemy, an affordable course provider. The first course is designed to provide supplier management professional with a systematic approach in 7 essential areas of supplier quality management, which include supplier selection, qualification, product qualification, supplier development, sustaining management, supplier evaluations, with all the templates prepared for you to use immediately. It takes years to become an expert quality auditor. I have created a course on effective supplier quality audit where you can uncover the secrets on how to become an effective auditor overnight by learning the quality auditing skills which I have accumulated for over 20 years. You will learn to uncover the gaps in manufacturing process systematically, leading to suppliers' process improvement without complex problem solving. It is a very small investment for you to become the best in the industries and sought after professional in supplier quality. An audit is actually a planned, independent, documented on-site assessment to determine whether suppliers are able to perform upon agreed requirements. The reason why we perform audit is because maybe it has not been done before for new supplier sites or technology or even new manufacturing line. Sometimes a company has a policy of look at have another look for surveillance audit or regular audits, and is necessary. Maybe at times that supplier is having too many excursions, it will be wise to re-audit the whole line again. And then usually the audit is performed as when there's new suppliers, new products, new manufacturing line, and also the audit outputs should be the gaps identified from the audits itself for the suppliers to improve and meet your requirements. After all the work that has been done in suppliers audit, we would have the capability to understand the suppliers better and can make objective recommendations for the suppliers selections to the procurement team. However, the final decisions always comes from the procurement team, although quality might have the biggest impact as there are some other areas such as suppliers' financial strength needs to be considered. I hope you have gained valuable insights into supplier quality management, which needs to achieve consistently good quality products from suppliers' manufacturing process. If you have any further questions or comment, please leave them below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who want to enhance their skills and shape their future. If you are ready to enhance your career in supplier quality management to the next level, enroll in my expert course on Udemy. You will gain access to resources which you can use immediately to manage supplier effectively. I look forward to seeing you in the course.